So Google Assistant, y'all, is almost here, and I got the proof to show it. Oh. Turn on the command center.
Sure, turning 5 lights.
So now that y'all saw that, let's go ahead and talk about this new information that I just got involving the Galaxy Watch 4 as well as Google Assistant on it. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. All right, so Google Assistant, right? This is by far the one feature that should have been native on this watch right here from jump. But instead, y'all, it's literally been over 8 months and we still haven't gotten it yet. And if I'm being honest and just being real with y'all, this is absolutely no excuse, man. But before we actually get into all of the details on when we actually can expect this to come to the watch, y'all already know the rules by now, man. Comment down below right now how many likes is on this video at the time when you guys are watching it, and let's go ahead and run this video up just like we did the last one, man. 40K views, appreciate y'all. Now you're probably sitting here wondering, CKid, why do you have 3 Galaxy Watch brand new joints right here on the desk? That is because, y'all, I'm running a raffle right now on CKidRaffles.com where I'm personally giving away 3 brand new Galaxy Watch 4 to 3 lucky people out there. And literally, man, I think all the spots is almost filled up because I'm only allowing 500 people in on this raffle, and I think we only got about 20-some spots left, and I'm gonna be drawing the winners right here, doing a live stream here on the channel on my birthday, which is May 4th. So shout out to all my Tauruses out there, stand up. Now the last day to go ahead and buy your tickets is on May 3rd, so don't be the one that's left out and missed out on this opportunity, man, because I see some of y'all out there DMing me saying, hey, are you gonna extend it and all of that? No, I'm not. If you missed out, you missed out. So go to CKidRaffles.com right now, man, get your tickets. Like, it literally is only like $1 to get in. It's super, super cheap. All right, so what's going on with Google Assistant, right? Is it coming to the Galaxy Watch 4 or not? So Samsung, y'all, just pushed out an update. I think it's like SM870 or something like that for the Galaxy Watch 4. So I gotta say, shout out to Samsung for at least being consistent with this bi-monthly update thing that they've been doing. And the biggest one that they did was like back in February. And if you guys want to know the 17 things that they added, you can check the video out right up here that I did for you guys. Now, I know you probably like, well, CKid, man, like what's going on with like this new update? Did they give us Google Assistant or not? Well, like, yes, like kinda. But no, here's what I mean by that. Now, in a recent update, y'all, they only gave us like enhanced Samsung health functions as well as improved system stability as well as reliability. Now, something that I have to bring up real quick, and I really got a bone to pick with Samsung about this because they keep doing this. Now, they keep releasing these firmware updates and saying stuff like enhanced Samsung health functions and improved system stability, but they don't even be telling us like what's in it, like the enhanced health functions or what they actually did to the system to stabilize it. Now, in the future, Samsung, I need you to come here real quick. In the future, listen. Make sure you tell us exactly what it is so that way we can actually go out and play with it and do whatever we want to do. We want to see the new features. I'm just saying, the people want to know. Now, when it comes to Google Assistant, when can we actually expect it? Well, guys, according to Verizon's website, they legit posted an upcoming system update release on their notes area on their website that's mentioned support for Google Assistant is now available. But of course, once they realized their mistake, it actually gotten taken down super quick. Y'all already know how that goes, aka somebody got fired. But according to the sources from Google and Samsung, they made a statement to make things super clear, saying that Google Assistant in itself is not in fact currently rolling out with this release. But my thinking is this, y'all, since we actually coming close to the Watch 5 coming out in August and Samsung rolling out firmware updates bi-monthly here, I'm assuming that we could actually see Google Assistant coming like within the next firmware rollout, which should be scheduled sometime in July, just before the Watch 5 gets officially announced, which would just be perfect timing, giving Watch 4 owners a chance to go ahead, set it up on our current watch, get it all set up, then bam, they're gonna hit us with that Watch 5 with it already natively on the watch. It would just be just a perfect setup and just a genius rollout. Now, although I still say they still should have given us Google Assistant on this watch right here, like from jump. Still no excuse on that, but that's a whole nother video for a whole nother day. But looking real quick on what Verizon leaked to us, literally showing us how Google Assistant is gonna be set up here on this watch. So within the settings, it looks like we're actually gonna see a new Google option in there, and it's gonna allow us to log in with whatever Google account you guys want and the one that you want your assistant tied to. Now, once you guys are in there, it looks like we're gonna have 2 new options. Now, the first option is gonna be turning on Hey Google. Now, this is gonna allow us to just be able to say, Hey Google, and it's gonna prompt Google Assistant just like it does on any of the Google Home devices that we use today, which is actually really dope. Now, assuming if we don't want this option to be turned on, I'm assuming if we turn it off, we're still gonna be able to use the side button here as a long press to be able to activate the assistant. Now, real quick, since Google Assistant Assistant is not out yet, I did create a video right up here that you guys can check out where I walk you guys through step by step on how to get Google Assistant on your Watch 4 right now and start using it, which it just works flawlessly like you saw in the beginning of this video. Now, all you have to do, guys, is click the link that I have for you guys titled Google Assistant APK down below. Scoop that up, just download it. Do not install it on your phone just yet. Just download it on your phone. It's only like $5 or something like that. So go ahead and download that, then watch the video that I'll have for you guys at the end of this video where I show you guys step by step how to get Google Assistant on your Watch 4 right now. So that way you ain't gotta wait on Samsung, who is taking their precious time. You're welcome. See, I got y'all covered here. Now, the second option, it looks like we're actually gonna have is speech output option, which is gonna allow for Google Assistant to actually tap into the speakers on your watch, and it's just gonna provide you guys the answers as well as the response through the speakers off of your smartwatch, which is actually really dope. So y'all, man, I'm just ready for like this feature to actually get here. I know we all are, since it's legit like the biggest selling feature of this watch being on Wear OS. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think that Samsung is gonna give Google Assistant on this next firmware update, or do you actually think they're gonna play us again? Let me know down in the comment section below. See y'all in the next one. SQAUD. Also, don't forget to get in that raffle, man. It's literally only $1. I'm just saying, you can win you one of these. Like somebody taking these home, cause I don't want them. Oh. Turn on the command center.
Sure. Turning 5 lights on.
And just like that, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys in this video how you guys can get Google Assistant onto your Galaxy Watch 4 as well as your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Let's break it down. All right, y'all, so the first thing that you guys are gonna need in order to get this working on your brand new Galaxy Watch 4, obviously, is your Galaxy Watch 4 or your Watch 4 Classic. Number two, you're also gonna need whatever Android device that you guys are using out there. Now, for me, I'm personally gonna be using the Samsung Galaxy Note series, but if you guys got a Pixel, this will also work as well. And lastly, y'all, number three, you're also gonna need the Google Assistant APK that luckily for y'all, I got included for y'all right down in the description section below, so you're welcome. All right, y'all, so the first step right out of the gate, man, is you wanna go ahead and click on the link using your smartphone that I have for you guys down below. Now, that's gonna take you to my Google Drive, and then I want you guys to go ahead and download the Google Assistant APK right to your device. But don't worry about installing it just yet. All I want for you guys right now is just to download it. Trust me, we gonna get to the install part later on in this video. Just be patient. Once it's downloaded, y'all, next I want y'all to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store app and then go ahead and search for Easy Fire Tools and install that application onto your device. The next thing we wanna do is go ahead and open up the new app that we just installed, and then you guys should see Google Assistant Go under downloads in this application. So now that you pretty much got all that on your phone, the next thing we wanna do is, before we actually get into the steps here on the watch, I need for y'all to make sure your Galaxy Watch 4 or your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, y'all, is protected and has a tempered glass screen protector on it. Now, I see a lot of y'all out there getting your Galaxy Watches delivered to your houses right now. You're getting them for Christmas. You're telling me all of this in the comments, but ain't none of y'all saying that y'all got a screen protector on y'all. Now, you can get yours where I got mine from, which is from the SamsungNest.com. Now, you guys can get right now a premium 4-pack for them. I think they only like $19, which is on sale right now. So if I was y'all, I'll run over there right now, man, scoop them up before they sell out during this holiday season. Trust me, because this is a crazy sale that they got. Now, I have a link for you guys right down in the description section below for you guys to check out. Please don't be like I was and in my last smartwatch that I had end up and just getting a huge, deep, crazy crack on your screen, because I'm telling you right now, if you're walking around with a cracked screen on your smartwatch, it's just gonna knock all of the cool out your walk. I promise you. Don't say that I ain't warn y'all and give y'all the hookup on where you can buy yours from right now and where it's on sale. But anyway, let's go ahead and get back to getting Google Assistant set up on your smartwatch. All right, so the next thing I need you guys to do is go on your Galaxy Watch 4 or your Watch 4 Classic and scroll down to settings, go to About Watch, Software, and continuously tap on Software Version until you see a message pop up saying Developer Mode turned on. Now, y'all still with me? I know it's a whole lot, but trust me, y'all, it's worth it. So let's go ahead and just keep going. Then you guys want to go back 2 pages and scroll to the new option that you guys are going to see that says Developer Options. Then go ahead and scroll down to where you guys see ADB debugging, and you want to turn that on. Then go ahead and scroll down a little bit more on that same page and then turn on debug over Wi-Fi. Whew. We getting there. All right, now the next part, y'all, I promise you it is super important. So pay close attention here. Now, right underneath the debug over Wi-Fi, you guys should see an IP address, or to some people out there that don't know what it is, just a bunch of numbers. You want to go ahead and write those numbers down because we're going to need them in the next steps that I'm about to show you guys right now. But I need you guys to ignore the 5s that's on there and just get everything that's right after it. So go ahead and pause this video right now, write all of those numbers down before you guys resume, and then go ahead and comment down below also how many likes is on this video at the time you guys are watching right now, because, you know, I'm just curious. All right, so now that y'all pretty much got all the numbers memorized or you got them written down somewhere, go back to the Easy Fire Tools app on your smartphone. And right there in the upper left-hand corner, I want you guys to click on the menu icon here and go to Settings, scroll down to Fire TV IP, and then I want you guys to put in those numbers that I just told you guys to write down and memorize into this area. Now remember, y'all, it needs to be exactly how it is on the watch, but without the 5s. So now that you got that in there, just go ahead and tap OK and go back to the main screen. I promise y'all, we almost done. We getting there. Now in the top right corner, just go ahead and tap on the icon that looks like a plug connection and let it do its thing. Now all this is doing, y'all, if you don't know, is just connecting your Galaxy Watch to the Google Assistant via the numbers that you guys just put in. Now, while it's actually doing that on your watch, it's also going to ask you guys to allow debugging. Just go ahead and tap OK on your watch, and then on your phone, just go ahead and tap on continue on that message that is up on your phone right now. Now in the top right corner, this plug connection now should be green. Now once you see that, go ahead and tap on Google Assistant Go from the menu, and this is where you guys will go ahead and install Google Assistant onto the Fire TV app, which is why we didn't install it earlier, and now you guys can go ahead and do it right now, and it's going to side load it right onto your Galaxy Watch 4 or your Watch 4 Classic. Now this is going to take a little while, but trust me, when it's done, you're done. At this point, y'all, we pretty much 95% done and completely done with the phone in itself, and the rest of this setup I'm getting ready to go over is all on the Galaxy Watch 4 or the Watch 4 Classic. Go ahead and go into the apps menu, and you should now see Google Assistant app, and if you tap that, you can just use it like normally. But because we want to make this seem more native to the watch, let's go ahead and set it up as a shortcut and set it up that way how I basically used it and showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So in order to do that, go to Settings, go to Advanced Features, then you'll see Customize Keys, and in here you can either set it for double press. Now when you guys actually double press the home key, you now will have Google Assistant, and it's no more Bixby. Goodbye, we don't need you. I know, the Galaxy Watch 4 just got even flyer on your wrist. Hey Google, tell them to subscribe to the channel right now. Galaxy Watch 4, the floodgates is open cause it's time to explore. I'm knocking down all these doors that you trying to restore. Well, what's that you saying? You want me to show and tell more? Well, okay. The Galaxy Watch 4, the floodgates is open cause it's time to explore. I'm knocking down all these doors that you trying to restore. Well, what's that you're saying? You want me to show and tell more? Well, okay. The watch is amazing to me. Look at it, don't you agree? The head turning 30 degrees. I'm carefree, I'm here, no biggie, giving you all the style and grace. Change the watch face, peep the swag, I walk the slow pace. I walk the slow pace. Battery's good, no cap. Vipers always snakes, cause I ain't here to give you no doubt. The slinging tech wraps on wristwatch, check the whole map. It's smooth like butter, I answer calls from a quick tap. See, now what you saying? I'm speaking out just on beat. This watch is sleek like sleek, I'm gliding in the next week. 2 versions here, but one will have to take a back seat. Let's get into this video so I can give the fact sheet. SQAUD.